Today we're gonna change the memory this on a MacBook. Uh, right now it has 4 GB. We wanna put a 4 GB and a 2 GB card to make it 6. Later on we're gonna upgrade to even more, but for right now that's good. So we take out all the screws around the back of the computer, and then once we have them off, we open it and we're gonna see the memory right here. Uh, we push to the sides, there's 2 tabs in there. The memory just pops up, and just put it at an angle. It's about 45 degrees angle, and you do it to both. Like in my case, I want to put the 4 GB on the bottom, so later on if I want to put another 4 GB, I don't have to take them off again. So the top one, it's gonna be the 2 GB, the one I can replace later. And I get the other memory, and we're gonna put it the same way. When we put it at an angle, make sure it's all the way in, and then we push it down. Once it clicks, it's right in there. Now we put the other one on top, and also just make sure to push it from both sides. Make sure it's all the way in, and push it down. Once it's there, it's locked and it's ready to go. We just need to put the cover back and put the screws back in all the way around, making sure that we put the short screws where they need to go and the longer ones on top. They are generally on the back to the right if you're facing it. Okay, so that's a short one. Then that those last 3 ones are gonna be long ones. Okay, just make sure all of them are in there. Go slow, and just we turn it over to test it. Once I turn on the computer, it's gonna start loading, and that's pretty much it. Once we log in, we're gonna show you that it does show the new memory in there. So instead of showing 4 GB like it came from Apple, now it's gonna show 6 GB. And we just need to put the password, log in, just to show you. And hopefully soon I'm gonna be uploading a few more videos. Right now this is it for this video. It's easy, and please subscribe, and let us know what you think on the comments. Thank you.